I'm about to change the way you've seen color your entire life. Of all the light that exists, humans can only see 0.0035%. That's it. This is all the visible light that we can see. But where the is magenta? Well, take a look at this. You might think that this is yellow, but zooming in, we really see it's made of tiny red and green pixels. Now, this is where things get weird. You've probably been taught that color is just a type of light, and as it stretches, we see its wavelength change from violets all the way to reds. But our eyes work a bit like a mixer. We have three types of color sensing cells that specialize in longer reddish light, middle greenish light, and shorter bluish light. Now, every color we see is just a combination of how stimulated each of these cells are. Pure yellow stimulates the exact same pattern as seeing a combination of red and green, making them essentially indistinguishable. Now, this all works because I lied. Light does not have a color. Color is a perception that your brain invents when it perceives certain patterns of light, which leads to something weird. What if I showed you long red light and short violet light at the exact same time? With yellow, it kind of felt like our brain saw the red and green and just merged it by finding the middle ground. But if that was true, when we're shown red and violet, the middle ground is green, but our eye is telling our brain there is definitely no green at all. So what do we see? Well, your brain kind of cheats. It literally invents a color that does not exist on the visible spectrum of light. That is magenta. And once you see it this way, magenta feels a bit different, almost like it doesn't belong, like a hallucinated bridge between red and violet. Maybe that's just me, but get the off your phone.